Hello guys, welcome to Let's Do Some Trade. Nifty 50 Sensex both marginal, so we have to rely completely on the sector. Let's see some strong sector. PSU Bank is strongly down. Let's pick a stock from it. I can see SBI from the top losers. Let's see the chart of SBI. So RSI, it has hit 20 levels and it has bounced back. Let's see. 700 shares I can have. The problem here is that it has bounced back after touching RSI of 20, that is, it was oversold. So I'm just waiting for it to come down. It's a fast forwarded video. So after waiting for a few minutes, I can see it has finally come down. So finally I can place a sell order for this 700 shares. I'll place a bracket order, stop loss 2, target 1. Okay, wait it, let's make it 0.9. Okay. So we have got it at 283.9. we have sold 700 shares. PSU Bank sector is still down, that's a good news. So it is again moving against us, but I'm pretty confident because SBI is the top loser from the top sector. Also the result is not quite well this quarter. It was in a loss, so I can't see any reason for it to go much above. It will definitely come down. We have to just wait and watch. PSU Bank is still down, it's good. Yeah, finally it has come down. Let's wait. So 283, I'll move my order to 283. Currently it is 283, 282.9. I'll just make all these orders as 283. So 283 will be a buy price. We are already in green now. Let's wait. Stock is slowly coming down, gradually coming down. Good, that's very good. Okay, finally we have got the order. It has complete. SBI 630 rupees of profit we have made. So at 283 order got placed. Now if someone would enter from this point, the next buy price would be at 282 levels. At this price, if somebody wants to enter at this price, the target would be 282. Okay, so at 10:10 we placed the order and it got completed at 10:28. So in 18 minutes we have made the profit of 630 rupees. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.